Withdrawing looks like being unfocused and staying off task.
When we are withdrawing, we are playing Papa's Freezeria,
Shopping on Temu.
shopping on Pandora,
Zoning out and talking to your friends. Like not focusing on your work and talking over the teacher.
Doing other work that's not related to your class.
Head out of the window.
Ignoring the teacher.
looking in the window,
Drawing on the desk.
poking at my rubber,
Doing surgery on my rubber.
Just not paying attention, zoning out, not focused,
Wait, what are we learning?
talking to your friends.
Withdrawing looks like not doing your work and not listening to the teacher.
Withdrawing looks like having your head down on the desk and not listening.
Participating looks like putting your hand up to answer questions and listening to the teacher.
Participating looks like involving yourself in the conversation
And writing things down when you need to.
and not being distracted.
we move from withdrawing to participating by asking questions,
Shutting my laptop for a bit, pausing and then resetting and going back.
asking a peer for help,
Is that the green one?
Yeah.
Being ready to learn, like bringing everything in, getting your work done on time. Like writing things in your diary if you've got homework or need to complete something. Being prepared and having all your stuff ready when you go in.
Thanks, girls.